Good morning, everyone. So, sorry we haven't been posting. We all got sick. Took about maybe almost 2 weeks for us to fully get better. But today we are taking our vacation to Las Vegas. The girls are excited. I'm excited. And you guys are going to come along with us and see how this trip goes.
Welcome to the family. Hey, why won't you listen? Can't help the people you're missing. It's been done, a casualty rerun. Welcome to the family. Don't think maybe she won't refuse. She knows everything that I think. That girl, pretty as I could lose my games, shitty as that could be. I bet waiting around to lose, so dumb, trying to make believe you're mine. What are you gonna do? Come here, do you wanna come dance with me? Telling no friends you know you want you, shaking those hips like the devil's got you. Waiting all night 'cause now I want you. I ain't had a chance, here we go, I got you. Ole, 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 yeah, all night long. Ole, 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 yeah, we're doing it all night long. Ole, 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 yeah, we're doing it all night long. Ole, 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 yeah, we're doing it all night long. This song is making me beg for more. These drinks are breaking up all the routines. My mind pushing me out.
We are going to take a hike up the
So fucked, wishing I weren't so free. Me, you, won't you just fall in love like me? Or am I just too naive tonight? It's getting a bit too rough, but now really wanting to make her saying your friends you know you want you, shaking those hips like the devil's got you. Waiting all night 'cause now I want you. I ain't had a chance, here we go, I got you.
We made it to the Hoover Dam. We hiked up those stairs. It's crazy. The road is literally on the other side of this freaking wall. But this is pretty interesting. So we're gonna walk on these and go all the way to the middle of that bridge.
Chance, here we go, I got you. Dance with me, come dance with me. Dance with me, come dance with me. Doing it all night long. Ole, 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 yeah, we're doing it all night long. Ole, 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 yeah, we're doing it all night long. Ole, 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 yeah, we're doing it all night long. Ole, 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 yeah, we're doing it all night long. You beat my heart from miles away. Yeah, we're doing it all night long. You spin me like a hurricane. Yeah, we're doing it all night long. You love to play your little games. Yeah, we're playing them all night long. I'd like to have you every day, everywhere, and do it all night long.
Look at this one wants to jump. Nay. So we made it to our motel. We're staying at the Mandalay Bay and just waiting to see which elevator to take to get to our room, and then we'll give you a tour.
Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sights. You got me alone. You found me. You found me. You found me. I
Good morning. So today is Friday, December 29th. We just checked out of our motel. So we are heading back towards, well, we're heading to Flagstaff now. We got to pick up my nephew and then we'll head home. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. But we're exhausted. We're sore. We're tired. We worked out too much this weekend. But yeah. Until the next video. Bye!